Autodesk Tandem has been created to evolve the way we plan, design, build, and operate facilities. By establishing a digital thread for the complete built asset lifecycle, it connects the people and the project data. AEC specialists, owners, and operators can leverage dynamic, data-rich models for business intelligence. Our innovative software provides a seamless experience, both for those building digital twins and the users relying on their data to run facilities more effectively. Autodesk Tandem makes it quick and easy to create comprehensive, well-connected digital replicas, providing their day-to-day users with complete visibility and the context to truly understand the intricacies of operations. With all of your facility's information at your fingertips, you can take proactive action to minimize disruption and maximize operational efficiency. What's more, a digital twin doesn't just add value to the building it represents, but also to future projects. Learnings from one asset can be taken forward and inform design and operational decisions at a far larger scale. Come together to develop smarter buildings and achieve operational excellence. Discover the value of digital twins with Autodesk Tandem and see your buildings and business thrive.